Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about some of the more topics related to the Jupyter Notebook. So how to do the Python execution using the Jupyter Notebook, and we will see some of the keyboard shortcuts that will be useful during our execution purpose. In previous session, we already discussed the installation procedure for the Jupyter and Python. So basically, we install the Anaconda Navigator where the Jupyter and Python will get automatically installed. So if you are not aware about the installation procedure, you can check out my previous video. I am providing that link in the description. So let's start with the today's video. So in this video, we will first see what are the files. So here you can see the Jupyter Notebook on your screen. So here you can see all the files which I have already created. So here all those files are coming, and here some of the files you can see with the extension IP So what is the IP So it is the interactive Python notebook. So it is the extension. So these files are basically is a Jupyter notebook file format, which stands for interactive Python notebook. So it allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equation, visualization, and the narrative test. So let's see some more details about this file. So the structure of the IP file, it is a JSON JavaScript object notation file that stores the code, output, markdown, and metadata in a structure format. So in last session also we already discussed using the Jupyter. Here you can write the text, the whatever the code you are writing, and the output also you will see on the same page. So execution is happening the cell wise, so that we will discuss further in this sessions also. So basically the Jupyter notebook contains the cell which can be the three types. The first one is the code cell. So it contains executable code, and it is often the Python code. Then the markdown cell, contains a formatted text. For example, for the documentation, whatever the comment I need to write down, I can write down that in the markdown language. So basically that is the plain text I can write down just for the reference. Then there will be the raw cells that contain the raw text without any formatting or the execution. So basically these files we are using for the primary feature is that you can write and execute code, usually Python, directly within the notebook. You can see the result of your code immediately, including table, plot, and other rich media output. And it is easy to share also, so notebook can be easily shared and used by others, especially for the reproducible analysis. So let's see what exactly the different files are available and what kind of actions you can perform on this file. So here you can see there are the different folders available at the start, and below there are some files available. Here these files are related to the Python. So as we discussed, this is an interactive Python notebook. So on the folders, you can perform some basic actions. So when you click on and select the particular folder, you can see you can delete this folder or rename this folder. So these actions you can perform on the folders. From here you can select the all the folders, multiple folders, select unselect you can do from here. There is a sorting options available, file size, last modified, everything you can sort the data just to view the data properly. Then for the files like a format with IP you can perform some more actions. So once you select that, you can see you can open your file from here. So this is the opening Jupyter notebook file which I have already created. So this file is opening from here. Then you can see you can open, download this file, you can rename this file, then you can duplicate the file or you can delete the file. So these are the options available for all the files, like you can download this file, you can rename the file, you can duplicate the file, even you can delete the file. So now here you can see this dot is available, that means this file is currently running. So if you go to this another tab running, here you can see this Python 3 kernel, and this file is a running name as a python basics.ipynb. So this file is a currently in the running, that's why it is coming in this running section. and whatever the files are present, that will come into the file section. So running options, you will see whatever the different kernels are available. So currently I'm using the Python 3 kernel. If there is any other kernel you want to do the execution for the any other kernel, so at the time of execution you can choose that. So how to create a new notebook? So for that you can click on the new and you can click on the notebook. There are some other options also available. You can create a new terminal, you can create the new console, new file, and even the new folder from this option. So the first we will see how to create the new folder. Just click on the new folder. So it will create the new folder here. So currently the folder name is the untitled folder only. So in this way you can create a folder and you can give any name. Once you double click on this, you are going inside the folder. So inside folder also you can create the multiple folders. So just for your sorting purpose or understanding purpose, you can create a multiple folders and subfolders inside that, and inside that you can create your notebook. So currently I'm creating this notebook inside this. So let's create. Once I click on the create notebook, it is opening this page. So here you are getting the option to select the kernel. So currently I'm using the Python 3. So here you can see the Python 3 kernel is available. You can use the no kernel, then prefer session, and use kernel from the other session. So you can use any options from here. I'm selecting the Python 3 kernel. Okay, and here you can click on the select. So here also you can see currently it is executing on the Python 3 kernel. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you again and have a nice day.